Welcome to Lira Clinical's Continuing Education Series. Mineral technology is an essential component of healthy skin, performing vital bodily functions such as copper, utilizing iron and magnesium for healthy insulin. Let's look at minerals when topically applied through Lira Clinical products, support healthy skin structure, and encourage bright, beautiful skin. Healthy skin cell structure requires mineral nourishment. Proven wound healing, collagen production, and powerful anti-inflammatory benefits give youthful vitality to skin. Minerals also assist active ingredients penetrating skin for increased corrective results. Firm, repair, and protect skin from oxidative stress with mineral technology. All skin essential mineral requirements are found throughout the Lira Clinical line. In addition to complementing Lira's exclusive brightening benefits, colloidal gold, silver, copper, zinc, and magnesium contribute skin's ideal health, aiding in collagen repair, cellular metabolism, and regulated skin hydration. At the age of 25, we lose 1% of our collagen each year. Colloidal gold maintains skin's firmness by slowing collagen and elastin depletion. Gold ions stimulate cells, nerves, and healthy blood circulation, slowing the aging process. Gold increases cells' metabolic rate, strengthening skin's immune response, aiding in moisture retention, volumizing skin. Gold's powerful anti-inflammatory benefits are a perfect partner to resurfacing giants such as retinol and lactic acid. A medically proven wound healer, colloidal silver is essential in post-procedure products. Its natural antiseptic properties is ideal for post-care, sensitive, and rosacea skin types. In addition to calming and soothing skin, silver's natural non-irritating preservative benefits block bacteria growth, aiding both acne and rosacea. Potent anti-inflammatory properties reduce skin redness and inflammation, slowing the aging process and promoting bright, beautiful skin. Copper is the ultimate mineral for skin repair, promoting glycosaminoglycan or GAG production. This increase in skin's natural hydration also benefits skin's cellular reparative process. Stimulating healthy collagen and elastin, copper also rids skin of damaged and aging tissue. Copper repairs skin by initiating natural enzymatic tissue, rebuilding healthy skin cells. This support to the immune system functions gives skin faster healing and less social downtime with resurfacing procedures. Next, we have zinc, proven to protect against environmental pollution, photo damage, and blue light oxidation, makes zinc the primary ingredient in Lira's SPF line. Zinc also boosts skin's immune function, strengthening epidermal protection. Skin protects skin with its powerful anti-inflammatory benefits, both with topical and internal use. These benefits are combined with reducing surface oil and balancing skin's moisture levels, ideal for combination to acneic skin types. Magnesium is essential for skin cell energy and DNA repair, as well as improving circulation and stimulating skin. A fundamental mineral for sensitive and rosacea skin. Magnesium aids skin with compromised barrier functions, reducing topical irritation and redness. Retains skin's moisture levels, promoting healthier skin, essential for disease prevention. Aiding the body in protein, bone, and fatty acid formation. Magnesium helps to replenish healthy skin, strengthening skin's elasticity and firmness, slowing the aging process. Skin is the perfect passageway for magnesium as it is easily absorbed. Lira Clinical utilizes mineral technology throughout their entire line. Let's look at some of the essential mineral products you should be using in your back bar, as well as every client's home care program. Offer clients proven corrective results with Lira Clinical's customizable resurfacing solutions containing colloidal silver and gold. Potent anti-inflammatory benefits are utilized, limiting possible post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Essential cellular repair is initiated immediately. Therefore, less topical irritation and faster healing times begin for less social downtime for clients. Lira Clinical's elite formulations expand the proven results of resurfacing solutions to mineral Jesner, mineral TCA, and the universal mineral retinol solution to peel, seal, or boost a treatment with the expected corrective skin results Lira clients are accustomed to. Lira's award-winning ice refining mask contains magnesium for its cellular repair and calming benefits to the skin. A must-have for acne clients, ice refining mask detoxifies skin while soothing redness and inflammation from unwanted acne lesions. Its active agents are delivered with Lira's healing peptide delivery system, which works perfectly as a preparatory mask to any clinical treatment. Protecting skin as well as maintaining a healthy pH level is essential when correcting skin conditions. Zinc is incorporated into the Pro Exfoliating Cleanser and Pro Retinol Cream, balancing skin's pH levels as well as enhancing corrective results with the potent Evening Pro Retinol Cream. Award-winning Pro Firming Serum combines designer peptides with the firming and healing benefits of colloidal gold and silver. Pro Firming Serum is a great addition to devices with its high conductivity in any facial treatment. For broad spectrum protection, zinc is the primary environmental protection in Lira's SPF line. Skin is also protected from pollution, sun rays, and technical oxidation, and is reef safe for our marine friends. SPF Solar Shield 30 oil-free is the most universal protection with its popular matte finish. Solar Shield Hydrating has added copper and magnesium, aiding compromised skin conditions such as dehydrated, sensitive, and rosacea to strengthen skin's barrier function and initiate optimal healing. And we have our Solar Shield 30 Classic Tint, a beautiful formulation with just a hint of color to give any Fitzpatrick type a beautiful glow. Lira's exclusive Masque line combines the brightening technology of Masque with mineral essentials. Magnesium is found in the Masque cleanser, aiding sensitive and post-procedure skin with cellular repair and strengthening skin's barrier function. Masque Illuminating Polisher's unique hydrating benefits while refining skin texture and minimizing pore appearance pairs Masque resin with colloidal gold, silver, and magnesium for unprecedented brightening properties. Masque Eye Cream reduces puffiness with designer peptides and the proven benefits of colloidal silver and firming gold. The lifting mask can be used post-extraction, removing redness and tightening skin, and as a finishing mask for any facial treatment on aging, acne, rosacea, and pigmented skin types. Offer clients skin luxury with the clinical results of mineral technology in the Bio line. Designed for skin restoration, cellular repair, and skin-friendly hydration, Bio Caviar Cream combines potent anti-inflammatories with brightening botanicals, colloidal gold, silver, and magnesium. BioHydra Infusion offers clients hyaluronic acid with mineral technology, an essential serum in both back bar and home care for collagen induction therapy clientele. Hydrating Mineral Mist infuses multiple calming and soothing botanicals with gold and silver for a versatile pH balancing, hydration spritzer, and makeup setting spray all in one. As a semi-occlusive barrier gel, Bio Recovery Balm increases skin healing time for post-procedure skin and a popular favorite for chapped lips in the winter. And Lira Clinical's ultimate mineral therapy product, award-winning and recently reformulated biohydrating mineral mask, offers the ultimate in mineral technology. Additional colloidal gold was incorporated for increased firming and skin restoration benefits. Colloidal silver, copper, zinc, and magnesium contribute to its powerful healing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Brightening boosters such as turmeric and shiitake mushroom were added, as well as balancing topical probiotics, perfect for post-device assisted treatments. This must-have back bar product works beautifully as your client's sleep mask for radiant skin overnight. Thank you for joining us today. For further information on Lira Clinical products and treatments, please contact customer service at 877-440-5472 or via email at info@liraclinical.com. Thank you for choosing Lira Clinical, your Be Bright, Be Beautiful skincare company.